Unveiling Venus, the secrets of Earth's twin. Welcome to this exploration of Venus, one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system. Often called Earth's twin due to its size and composition, Venus is a world of extremes, where temperatures soar, pressures crush, and mysteries hide beneath dense clouds. In this video, we're taking an educational journey to uncover the amazing secrets of Venus. Prepare yourself to delve into a fiery planet that offers crucial insights into our solar system, Earth, and even the future of our own atmosphere. Let's begin. Venus shares many similarities with Earth. It's nearly the same size, made of rocky materials, and located relatively close to us in the solar system. However, appearances can be deceiving. Venus differs drastically in terms of its environment and conditions. Studying Venus provides scientists with valuable knowledge. It's like exploring an alternate version of what Earth could have been. Our goal? To dive deep into what makes Venus so fascinating and unique. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, sitting between Mercury and Earth. At an average distance of about 67 million miles from the Sun, it's close enough that its atmosphere has experienced intense heating over millions of years. This proximity plays a big role in shaping the planet's environment. What's even more surprising is that despite its position, Venus reflects sunlight so effectively, making it the brightest natural object in the night sky after the moon. Its brilliance has earned it nicknames like the morning star and evening star. One of the key differences between Venus and Earth is its thick and hostile atmosphere. Venus's air is made of over 96% carbon dioxide, with dense yellow sulfuric acid clouds swirling high in its atmosphere. These create a phenomenon called the runaway greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect traps heat on Venus, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. The extreme heat boiled away any water Venus may have once had, leaving it dry and barren. It's a harsh world where sunlight barely makes it through the thick cloud layers. How hot is Venus? Astonishingly, its surface reaches scorching temperatures of around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. That's enough to melt lead. Venus is even hotter than Mercury, despite being farther from the Sun. Why? It all comes back to its thick atmosphere, which traps more heat than it lets escape. Imagine being on a planet where one step would incinerate almost anything. It's an environment that challenges not just humans, but even modern spacecraft. If Venus's heat isn't enough to startle you, its crushing atmospheric pressure will. Standing on Venus's surface would feel like being 3,000 feet underwater on Earth. The pressure is 90 times greater than what we're used to here. What does this mean? Any spacecraft or human would be squished instantly without extreme protective measures. This severe pressure is one reason why missions to Venus are so technologically challenging. Venus does something peculiar when it rotates. It spins backward. Unlike Earth and most other planets, Venus rotates from east to west. This means that if you stood on its surface, ignoring the heat and pressure, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Even stranger, Venus rotates so slowly that one day on the planet is longer than a Venusian year. Yes, you heard that right. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to complete one spin, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the sun. How did this happen? Scientists are still unsure, but they suspect that a massive collision early in its history could have reversed its spin. Because of Venus's dense atmosphere, its surface is hidden from view. However, radar imaging techniques have helped scientists map out what lies beneath those yellowish clouds. What they discovered is astonishing. Venus's surface is covered in vast plains, volcanic formations, and towering mountain ranges. It's a geologically active planet, with an estimated 1,600 volcanoes scattered across its surface, more than any other planet in the solar system. One remarkable feature is Maxwell Montes, the tallest mountain on Venus, which rises higher than Mount Everest on Earth. Venus and Earth may have started out similarly billions of years ago, perhaps even with liquid water. However, Venus's proximity to the Sun likely triggered the runaway greenhouse effect, evaporating water and leaving the planet bone dry. This brings up an interesting question. Could Venus have once supported life? While its current conditions are far too hostile, scientists continue to study the planet's past to see if it was ever habitable. One of the most valuable things Venus teaches us is how planets change over time and what happens when greenhouse gases go unchecked. The extreme runaway greenhouse effect on Venus mirrors some of the concerns we have about climate change on Earth. By understanding what happened to Venus, scientists can better predict how atmospheric changes here on Earth could affect our future environment. It's a reminder of how precious and fragile Earth's conditions really are. Studying Venus isn't easy, but that hasn't stopped scientists. The first missions to Venus, like the Soviet Union's Venera program, struggled with the planet's harsh conditions, but they left behind groundbreaking data. More recently, NASA's Magellan mission mapped Venus's surface using radar. Looking ahead, new missions like NASA's Veritas and Da Vinci Plus aim to uncover even more secrets about Venus's atmosphere, geology, and history. These missions plan to use advanced technology to brave its extreme environment, pushing the boundaries of exploration. Venus isn't just an isolated planet, it's a key piece of the solar system puzzle. Its gravity and position affect nearby planets, including Earth. Scientists study Venus to understand these interplanetary dynamics better. Additionally, studying Venus offers a window into rocky planets outside our solar system. What we learn about Venus can help us identify Earth-like or Venus-like worlds across the universe. Before we wrap up, here are a few fun facts about Venus to impress your friends. Venus is the only planet named after a female deity, the Roman goddess of love and beauty. The planet's sulfuric acid clouds give it a bright and beautiful yellow appearance from afar. Despite being so inhospitable, Venus remains one of the easiest planets to spot in the night sky. Learning about Venus is more than just a deep dive into its extremes. It's a journey into understanding more about our own planet and the possibilities that exist in the universe. Venus serves as a cautionary tale for climate science, a model for studying exoplanets, and a glimpse into how planets evolve differently over time. For students like you, Venus represents the wonders of science and exploration. Its mysteries challenge us to think deeper, ask more questions, and innovate new technologies to uncover the unknown. From its blistering heat and crushing pressure to its backward spin and volcanic landscape, Venus is truly a planet of extremes. It holds lessons about Earth, clues about our solar system's history, and inspiration for the future of space exploration. As we continue to explore Venus, we not only gain a better understanding of this hellish world, but also deepen our appreciation for the unique, life-sustaining planet we call home, Earth. Let your curiosity guide you to keep asking questions and learning more every day. Thank you for exploring Venus with us. Until next time, stay curious and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you to watch the video till the end. If you liked the content, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and share with friends this video.